The McLaren 720S is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, blending breathtaking performance with cutting-edge aerodynamics and a striking design. At the heart of this supercar is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing an astonishing 710 horsepower and 770 Nm of torque. This immense power allows the 720S to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds, with a top speed of 341 km per hour. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear shifts and seamless power delivery. The advanced proactive chassis control 2 system continuously adapts to road conditions, providing an unparalleled balance of comfort and precision handling. One of the most striking aspects of the McLaren 720S is its aerodynamic design, sculpted to maximize downforce and minimize drag. The monocage 2 carbon fiber chassis not only makes the car incredibly lightweight but also enhances structural rigidity for improved safety and performance. The dihedral doors, a signature McLaren feature, add to the dramatic presence of the car while also aiding aerodynamics. Every curve, bend, and line is designed with performance in mind, ensuring optimal airflow and cooling for the powerful engine. The active rear wing adjusts dynamically to improve stability at high speeds and assist with braking. Inside, the cabin of the 720S is a perfect blend of luxury and functionality. High-quality materials such as Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber create a premium feel, while the driver-focused cockpit ensures an engaging driving experience. The digital instrument cluster provides essential performance data, and the centrally mounted infotainment system offers easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, making the 720S suitable for long drives as well as intense track sessions. McLaren also offers a range of customization options, allowing owners to personalize their car with bespoke colors, materials, and finishes. The McLaren 720S is not just about raw speed, it's also engineered for precise handling and exceptional driving dynamics. The electro-hydraulic steering system provides sharp and responsive feedback, giving the driver complete control over the car's movements. The adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride on regular roads while delivering incredible agility on the track. The carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power, allowing the car to decelerate rapidly from high speeds with confidence. The lightweight construction, combined with an advanced aerodynamics package, makes the 720S one of the most agile and responsive supercars in its class. McLaren has also integrated cutting-edge technology into the 720S to enhance both performance and convenience. The variable drift control system allows drivers to adjust the level of traction control for a more engaging driving experience. The McLaren track telemetry system provides real-time performance data, helping drivers improve their skills on the track. Additionally, features such as front and rear parking sensors, a reversing camera, and an optional 360-degree camera system make everyday driving more practical. The LED lighting system not only enhances visibility but also adds to the car's futuristic appearance.